Yeah, see how I go on. I want to look good, you know. Yeah, at the world, it's not a plan. A franchise is choosing one. The 10-star general. Watch this now, man. I dash forward from Houston, Texas. And see cartel thing pop up on my phone. Say, well then, yo, the cartel, king of the dancehall, #1. Every radio station. Every radio station, #1. So when I see something like that happen now, you know what I mean? I know a big thing I go on. Watch this, man. Oh! Them look come on there. They are Jamaica and them now hold money. If you want them look come on here work for them money, yo, boy, I want to watch and see what I go on in the kind of lollipop thing, you know, you know. A Mach 90 rifle and black thing. You want to hold them thing here? Look how hard them on them are work for them money. And look at idiot boy, who need know what go on. Say General Starkey are the first general in Jamaica. Ask anybody. The General Starkey, Junglist, General Starkey, the first general they have in Jamaica. I don't have to know that. You see what I say? Oh, the man them a violate the general bounty killer like that. What the youth them a hold? Youth them not hold no meds, no mineral. Dog, man no smoke weed for eye, you know. Man smoke weed for vibes, you know, so I don't get that twisted, you know. The man don't know if a drugs, you know, take or whatever, you know. Man no smoke weed for get high. Man smoke for all a nice school vibes. You know what I mean? A waste man smoke weed for get high. How high you think you can get? Like to the cloud? Eh? Let me tell you something, man. Look at you. You got the general him thing, you know. When you have to, you know, link up a pastor, you know. And make sure, you know, deliver the thing, you know. Back for get the general, you know, because we don't deal with no police. You hear me? I tell you, no, we shall link up a pastor and make the general get back him thing. You hear me? I tell you, no. Remember me, I want to do, you know, you. I want to release the general. The general not done pay him dues already. Look how much dues the general pay. The first thing the general do is scare them crew. Shot. A 5 man that one time shot, you know. Elephant, Toddler, Dandemite, Nicky Kochi. You hear me? Angel Judas. The next step, the general say, come baby sham. The whole world in a frenzy. You see me? The general step again and say Vibes Cartel. The whole place shellway. Alliance, shellway. Alliance Young Generation. We consist of a Carnado, Patex. The whole of them look at you, the IR, the machine gun fire. How much more Jews the man for pay? I be a poor people picking them name out a while ago, you know, we turn some rich youth, you know. I do now, the whole of them. Marshall, Bling Dog. I be a poor people picking them I tell you about, you know. We turn millionaire right now to the day, you know. The general done pay them dues already, you know, you. We don't hold no meds, you know, we don't hold no mineral, you know. And right now, no, make the people them all over the world see how disrespectful you can be, you know. And how nasty you is, you know. I bring down man local country, you know. I tell you that, you know, bring down the local Caribbean island, you know. You see what I say, that's what I do, you know. Bring it down to nothing, you know. Because if you not go see the big general, Rodney Price and rob him. Who no rob them? Rodney Price have the loudest voice in a dance hall. Not me ever care what kind of success a man want get in a dancehall. The wickedest dancehall artist, the roughest dancehall artist, the most hardcore dancehall artist you ever can find. A Rodney Price. No boy can go around that. No boy not hardcore and so aggressive like Rodney Price behind the mic. Me not care when a man want to say. I'm telling you something, you know, you. Last time I couldn't know, you know. Bring back the general thing come give me now. You hear me? You hear me? And one more time I couldn't know. And the world, it's not a plan. A franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. You, I say, when I bring back the general thing go give me now. You hear me? I tell you now. Because we're going to catch up with you now. You mean I tell you? I make me tell you something, you know, youth. All you know, hide, you know. Remember this, you know. Mountain and mountain no meet, you know. But people and people meet, you know. You hear me? I tell you now. Bring back the general thing. Give the pastor. I make him make the general arrive for him thing. We don't have to know, you know. Let's bring it back and we overlook it. You don't bring it back and we are going to find, you know. You hear me? I tell you now. And when you know, can't hide. I tell you now. A crazy challenge. Watch. Big up the general bounty killer every time. God bless. You hear me? And them can't stop that, you hear me? Because bounty killer is like a tree. We plant and be a whole heap of fruit. So you can't stop talking about that. The name bounty killer done is a merchandise already. Boy, no look on your own thing and come off of people's shit. You know, break them artists, that's all you can do, break them with one another. When you think for to take the brinks. When I not hear none of them try them fantastic move there. Not even take the bank. I don't hear no man with them excellent idea there. But I want to see people go in on them 95 and I watch people and I come in with a red eye business. Tell you something, man. Watch where I go on. You hear me? I tell you no. Watch where I go on. Yeah, right now I'm over and out, you know, because I'm mad, you know. Right now over the whole situation. Watch. Big up the general. Bounty killer every time. The world, it's not a plan. Franchise is choosing one. Watch.